Hey there, welcome. Have you ever felt that you were stuck in a place where nothing you tried seemed to work? You want to manifest something, but no matter what you do, the results just don't show up. If that sounds familiar, don't worry, because today I'm going to share something that could change everything for you. It's a simple, yet incredibly powerful manifestation technique that's been getting a lot of attention, and the best part is, it can give you results fast. This manifestation technique is called the 369 method. It's based on the idea that the way we think and focus our energy has a direct impact on the outcomes in our lives. The 369 method is one of the easiest ways to align yourself with the universe and make your desires come true faster than you ever thought possible. So how does it work? It's actually pretty straightforward. The technique involves writing down your manifestation intention 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. Simple, right? But don't let its simplicity fool you. It's all about focusing your energy and thoughts on what you truly desire. By doing this, you're sending out powerful vibrations to the universe, and those vibrations are what attract your desires back to you. Now, let's talk about how this works on a deeper level. We all know that our thoughts shape our reality. What we focus on is what we bring into our lives. The 369 method takes this idea and adds a structured approach. By writing your manifestation intention at specific times throughout the day, you're creating a consistent flow of positive energy and thought. This repetition helps solidify your intention in your mind, making it easier for the universe to respond. The key to success with this method is truly believing that what you're manifesting is already yours. It's not about hoping or wishing, it's about knowing that your desires are already on their way. The more you write, the more you start to feel the emotion behind your intention. You see, manifestation isn't just about the words you write, it's about the feelings you attach to those words. When you write your intentions with conviction and belief, that's when the magic starts to happen. When you start the day by writing your intention 3 times, you're setting a clear intention for your day. You're telling the universe, this is what I want, and I am ready to receive it. Writing it in the morning helps to prime your mind and get you in the right mindset. Throughout the day, you're reaffirming your desires by writing them 6 times. This keeps the energy going, reminding you that your intention is already in motion. And then, as the day comes to a close, you write your intention 9 times at night. By doing this, you're reinforcing your belief and cementing the idea that your desire is already being fulfilled. It's important to understand that the power of this technique lies not just in the writing itself, but in the belief and energy behind the writing. You could write your intention 1,000 times, but if you don't believe in it, you won't see results. So, while you're writing, make sure that you're feeling the excitement, gratitude, and belief that your manifestation is already on its way. One of the best things about the 369 method is that it doesn't require any special tools or complicated rituals. All you need is a pen, a piece of paper, and a clear intention. You don't need to spend hours meditating or performing elaborate ceremonies, just write and believe. It's a quick, easy, and effective way to start seeing results in your manifestation journey. I've seen so many people use this method and get results almost instantly. Whether it's a new job, a financial windfall, or a new relationship, the 369 method can help you attract what you desire. And if it can work for others, it can definitely work for you too. You might be wondering, how long should you keep doing this? The answer is simple. Keep writing your intention every day until you see your desire come to fruition. The beauty of this technique is that it doesn't require a specific time frame. You can do it for as long as it takes to feel confident that your desire is on its way. For some people, it might take just a few days, while for others, it may take a few weeks. The important thing is to stay consistent and keep believing. The 369 method isn't just about manifesting big things, either. It can work for small desires, too. It's a great way to manifest anything from more confidence to better health or even a peaceful mindset. Whatever you desire, the 369 method can help you get there. And because it's so simple, it's easy to fit into your daily routine. Whether you're at home, at work, or even on the go, you can always find a moment to write down your intention and stay connected to your desires. So, what do you need to do right now? It's time to put this technique to the test. Start by identifying something you really want to manifest. Be specific with your desire. Whether it's a new job, a relationship, or financial abundance, get clear on what you want. Once you've got that, write it down 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. Keep your focus and energy strong, and believe with all your heart that what you want is already on its way. You might be thinking, but what if nothing happens right away? Don't let that discourage you. Remember, manifestation isn't about immediate results, it's about trusting the process and having faith that what you want will come to you at the perfect time. Keep your thoughts positive, stay consistent with your writing, and most importantly, believe that your desires are already becoming reality. When you begin practicing the 369 manifestation technique, you'll quickly notice that it's not just about the words you write, it's about creating a new habit of focusing your energy and aligning your thoughts with your desires. This technique acts as a reminder for you to stay present and focused on your goals. It helps you let go of distractions and anchors you to the things that truly matter. One important aspect to keep in mind is that this method works best when you approach it with patience and a sense of trust. The universe operates on its own timeline, and the manifestation process may take time to unfold fully. But with each day you commit to your practice, you are building a stronger connection with your own desires. You start to realize that you are the creator of your reality, and the more you show up for yourself, the more aligned you become with your goals. The key to successful manifestation is consistency. Each time you sit down to write your intention, do so with a sense of purpose. Let go of any doubts or worries that might creep in. The act of writing serves as a reaffirmation of your belief that what you desire is already yours. This kind of practice keeps your energy high and your focus sharp, and it helps eliminate any limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. Manifestation works on the law of attraction, and the 369 method is one of the most effective ways to align your energy with the universe. The more you focus on your desires, the more you'll start to see signs and synchronicities showing up in your life. Maybe you'll run into someone who can help you, or an opportunity will present itself that leads you closer to what you've been asking for. The universe has a way of bringing things together when you remain aligned with your desires. It's easy to get discouraged when things don't manifest right away, but the truth is, sometimes it takes time for the energy to align perfectly. That's why it's important to remain patient and trust the process. When you're consistent with your practice and keep your vibration high, you will start to notice small shifts that tell you your manifestation is on its way. The 369 method is also a great way to build trust in yourself and in the universe. By committing to this daily practice, you're showing yourself that you believe in your ability to manifest. You're also reinforcing the idea that you are worthy of the desires you're asking for. And when you believe that you deserve it, you make it so much easier for the universe to deliver. I want you to know that manifestation is not about effort or force. It's about being in alignment with your desires and allowing them to come to you naturally. The 369 method helps you do just that. It's a tool that helps you focus and align your thoughts, energy, and actions with your desires. If you've ever tried other manifestation techniques and found that they didn't work, this method might be exactly what you need. It's simple, it's easy to do, and it's incredibly powerful. So why not give it a try? Write down your intentions every day, feel the excitement of your desires already coming true, and trust that the universe is responding to you. There's no magic secret to manifestation, it's all about consistency, belief, and focus. The 369 method is a great way to start incorporating those qualities into your daily routine. And with a little bit of patience, you'll soon start to see how quickly your desires begin to manifest. Now, it's time to take action. Start today by writing your intentions 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. Believe in what you're asking for, and know that the universe is working to bring it to you. And remember, manifestation is a journey, not a race. Stay focused, stay positive, and trust the process. Before you go, if you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more tips on manifestation and the law of attraction. If you're serious about manifesting your desires, hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. We're all in this together, and I'm excited to see what you'll manifest next.